We still need to screw down this case to the MDF base. So what we need to do is we need to draw some screw heads to do that. That's really easy. So see the circle tool, pull out, and then type the radius that you want for the head. So I type 3 and then press enter. And now what I've forgotten, I need to raise this up 2.5. There we go. Now let's start again. So L, and then you don't want to go through the center, so just go off to the side, go across, and then notice it's given me these guides that are coming up. So there we go, and then P for push pull. So that looks quite nice. Let's just select the whole thing, triple click it, change the color, looks okay, click off of it, and then select the whole thing, and then make it a component. Let's call it screw head, glue to any. In the next video I'm going to show you about why having the origin here in the corner is not a good idea, but I'll just leave it there for the moment. Click create, zoom out of it. Now if I use the tape measure tool, and I can go across like this, and so I want the screw head to be there, so go to that origin, and sure enough it sticks there. Now like I said, I'm going to post a separate video, but having the origin in the corner of a circular thing like that probably doesn't make much sense. It'd be much better to have the origin in the center. So if you're interested in how to do that, I'll post that as a separate video.